Hi, I'm Christian with H.E. Williams, and today I'm going to show you how to replace an LED board on our LT troffer. First things first, make sure that you turn the power off and no power is being sent to the driver. So for this job, I'm going to be using a T20 Torx tip, 1/4 inch nut driver, and a drill, but you can of course do this job without a drill. So I went ahead and disconnected the power to this fixture so we're safe to work on it. First thing we're going to want to do is remove an adjacent ceiling tile so you can get to your end plate. So as you lift this fixture, you'll notice there are 2 screws holding your lens in on either side. You're going to want to remove these 2 screws first, and you'll just start with your 1/4 inch hex driver. Make sure your drill is turned down to avoid damage. So you're going to want to keep a hand on your lens, because at this point your lens will fall out. And gently slide it out and set it aside. So now you have direct access to your LED boards. So at this point you'll put in your T20 bit. Some of our boards are screwed in with 1 screw, some have multiple, so it'll vary depending on your fixture. Once the screws are out, slide your board out of the retaining clips and gently remove the wires at the end of the board. And once you grab your new LED board, plug your board back in. The boards are marked positive and negative, so red to your positive, blue to your negative. The board will slide back into the retaining clips on one end, and then you can replace your screw. Now at this point you can decide whether you want to test the light before you put the lens back on. I'm going to decide not to and just go ahead and replace the lens. Now when you're piecing the lens back together, this end plate will have a small groove around the outside. The lens will slide into place, and then the same on the other end. You'll have to lift your fixture back up and align the screw holes on top. Slide your fixture back into grid. And that's how you replace an LED board on one of our LT troffers. Other fixtures will take similar steps. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you still have issues, contact our tech support and they'd be more than happy to help.